how to make PFP for Discord, okay? And now you need Photoshop and click new file, select this config, okay? This config, okay? Click and create. Now you need add the background, click here and select solid color, add the black color, okay? Click in block and press del in your keyboard, okay? Now, you need a select test, okay? To test, click here and add your name, okay? My name is John, but I use the other name, okay? Name is go oh, no good, okay, good. This name and select this. Select Gotham font, okay, and click here, and size. Now we need to increase the size, okay. Press Alt in your keyboard and make this nice. Click here, press left button in your mouse, okay, and press Shift in your keyboard and make it this nice. And now press Alt in your keyboard, press left button in your mouse and Shift and make it this nice. In this letter, I'll select, and you need insert other name, okay, good. Robux, nice. Click here and here and press Shift, click here, okay, choose select and Control T in your keyboard and make this nice, okay. And good, make this 2 clicks in this space, 2 clicks here, okay. And now style and select this option or this option, okay. I like this or this or this. This is very this is so good. This is so good. Okay, or this or this. No. You need to select this pack of red-made text effects in the first link in the script, and my free community is second link in description. Options, okay, these options is here, okay, is here, these options, okay, and you need to add this config, this config, this config, this config, and this config, okay. You need to add this configs, okay. Now select inner shadow setting, gradient overlay, click here and click here, and select the purple color. Purple color is good. Purple color, yeah. Purple color, select this, okay. Purple color, click here, and select these options, okay. Good. And other glow need is purple. Nice, guys. Nice. Okay. Add the new style. Okay. Select these options and the right name purple effect. Okay. Good. Select okay. And in Robux, 2 clicks here. Okay. Select this. Select these options. But we not added this effect in this test, okay. And click cancel, okay. You need a rectangle tool and select red color and make this, okay. Make this nice. Now press her and insert her. This make this, okay. Make this and Alt scroll, mouse scrolling, okay. Mouse scrolling, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, okay. Press Alt in your keyboard, scrolling your mouse, select this circle and push her, okay. Nice effect. And clicking rectangle, and click this tool, click here, click here, or here, or here. 1 second. This is good. Yeah, good. But I don't like. Click two clicks here, styles, and select this option. Good. Or this. Oh, this. So good. Okay. And select this layer. Two clicks here. Okay. And they added the drop shadow. Okay. Drop shadow effect. And now spread 0. Size. Low size. 2 0. Nice. And the opacity low opacity, and size okay, low opacity. Good. Now we need add background. Okay, go to Google, and now I need search Roblox. Okay, select this, and no blocks fruit. Oh, sorry. Make select this. Oh, this image is so good. Okay, click to right button and copy image. Go to your Photoshop and paste here. Okay, select Ctrl V, paste here. Increase the size. Ouch. Left button and make this nice, and make this. Oh, so good, bro. Yeah, so good. Clicking this button, and now okay, click to right button and convert to smart object. Okay, select this option, two clicks here, add the name, background. Okay, now make this. Okay, make this, and select this. Okay, occult visible, and click here, adjustment, and add the rose saturation. Okay, click here and make this colorize, and this. Okay. Oh no. Make this. No. Click here, add the hue saturation, and click in this local, and select normal for hue. Okay, and now click here, colorize, select purple. Okay, purple, and now clicking background, clicking filter, and blur, Gaussian blur. Okay, 2 0 is good. No, 11, 15 is good. 15 is good. Okay, select this, and now in background, occult. Click here, 2 clicks, and now select purple color, and bro, look at this. Okay, attention. Look at this. Select her, not her. Okay, you need to select your color. My color is purple, and now you need to select purple very black. Understand? Purple very black, and click this button. Click her. Nice, guys. And now clicking background. Okay, select opacity and low opacity. Okay, low opacity, and click here and create other layer. Now click 2 clicks here, white glow. Okay, select to normal for screen, select brush, and click in this option, select purple color or your color, okay? Zoom out, okay? Press out in your keyboard and scrolling in your mouse, okay? Zoom out, zoom out, okay? Now I make zoom out, okay? And bro, pay attention, okay? Attention. Look at this, okay? Select brush, and now make this, this, okay? But I need to increase the size, okay? Ouch. Right button and make this, and click her or her. 1 second. Make this and click her. No. This and make this. Nice. Now click in this option, select this color. This color need is white, okay? And now click in OK, and click here, create a new color, 2 clicks here, and glow, purple glow. Sorry. Purple glow. And click here, white glow. And now make it this. Oh, 1 second. Click here. Yes. And now click in this option. No. This option. And make this. Okay. Now create other layer. Select screen mode. 2 clicks. Light purple glow. Okay. Select purple, okay, and screen opacity. This opacity, okay, 50, and click this mode. Sorry. This mode. Nice, guys. Nice. This effect, okay. And now click here, and no, now is good, okay. Click here, press shift in your keyboard, click in this layer, okay, this layer, tall layer, understand tall layer, is not her, need to her, okay. Click here. Now select Ctrl G in your keyboard, 2 clicks here, and write PFP, okay, enter. And now, bro, pay attention, okay. You need to make this, okay. You need to make this. Shift out E, Control Shift Alt E, okay. You need make this now, okay. Click here, Control Shift Alt E, okay, and click here, PFP, enter. Right button, convert to smart object, click here, filter. And now, bro, now is very good. Now is very, very good. Camera raw filter, okay? That's so fire, bro. Yeah, 1 second. Yes, bro. Yeah, yes, learn more. No, bro. Shut the fuck, man. No. Okay. Now, contract. Okay. Contract. 30. Okay, 30. 30. And temperature. Make it this. No. This good. Tint. Green, purple. No. This good. Nice. Vibrance. No. Vibrance is no. Okay. Texture. No, no, no. Low texture, oh, 10. Okay, 10. Clarity? No, 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 no. No. This option, no. And vignette is so good. ADD or no? No, 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 no. Grain. Need grain. Okay. Or no, no, no. Five, five is good. Five is good. Okay. Mid tones. Need is your color. Okay. Your color is red. Mid tone, red. Your color is green. Mid tone is green. Okay. My color is purple. Mid tone is purple. Okay. Shadows purple. And highlights purple. Okay. 1 second. No, pretty good. Purple, red. Purple, red. Red. Okay, right. And sharpness, no. Sharpness, 10. 10 sharpness. Noise reduction, no need. Color noise reduction, no need. No need. Okay. Who? In red color. Okay. Make this or make this. Okay. Green, no, I don't like. And blue, oh, blue, so good. Blue, so good. Good. But I don't like. This option here. And this, okay. Okay. This good. Click okay. Before, after. Before, after. Okay. Before, after. It's so good. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. And sorry, my English is not good because I don't speak English so good, but I study English every day. And thanks for watching this video. And free community design in my description. Okay. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye.